Welcome to Horto Florestal in São Paulo, Brazil. This is my walking trail with the husband, David. We enjoy doing this together some days. I'm a little more lazy than he is, so he comes frequently, pretty much every other day he works out. And yeah, so I'm just going to take you through our little forest here, and so you could see a little bit of what Brazil has to offer in terms of nature. Yep. Honey? Step in the corner. It's a guard. Watch. Gonna step. onto the path and start going up. Just keep climbing. There's going to be obstacles. One's right here. Look at over, under, or through. We're going to go over it because under or through just doesn't work today. Unless, of course, I absolutely had to. Then I would find a way to get under that. See the incline? It's getting a little steeper here. We're still on the path. I'm getting a little bit out of breath, but I'm going to keep climbing because I want to get to the top. Because at the top of this path, which now look, even steeper curve. On the top of the path is this amazing spring.
You meet the top yet?
No, but I'm getting there, honey. I'm telling them why they have to keep going on the path of life. Even when the incline is so steep, you have to keep going.
And so roughy.
It's so rough. Look, there's all kinds of obstacles in the way. This path right here is like the definition of life for me, anyways, because you're gonna stumble. Like you probably saw, I stumbled a couple times coming up, but at the top of this path is the most amazing natural drinking water from a spring in the mountain, which you're gonna see in a little while when we get there. But if you want to get the best in life, sometimes you just have to stay on the path. Regardless of what happens, what comes in your way, who says what, you want to give up, stay on the path. Let's go, honey.
Yeah, the path is too big and rough. You will fall down, eh?
Here we are, right at the top of the path. Almost to the best water in the world that I've ever tasted. No chemicals, nothing, just pure goodness. So in life, you want pure goodness, you have to stay on your path. I love you. I'll show you where the water is. And here we are at the Fountain of Youth, I like to call it. But this is just natural spring water coming out of the rocks here in the forest. So when you get to the top, this is what you find. All natural. No chemicals, no chlorine, no fluoride. Just pure natural drinking water. Probably made by these roots, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yes, life, it's worth it. Look at this, new life in the banana tree. Let's get this. There we are. This is what new bananas growing on a tree looks like. New life. Always worth it. Never give up. Get to the top and get your fruit. The fruits of your labor. Don't let anybody tell you any different. You are worth it. You are something different than anyone else in this world, and it doesn't matter what you have to do to get there. Just get there if you can, when you can. Not if, but when.
I'm still curious, you know, what we've seen in this life recent, you know, in this modern life. We see modernity and the evolution of life. But what we are seeing really and truly is that our young population is dying out. And we see just elder population just surviving the times. Due to what? The new concept. They get up in the morning, they do their exercises, some of them run, they walk, they do what, that's what it. And what happened? The younger population is there drinking, drugs going on, sports, sporting, a whole heap of thing, violence, a whole heap of thing, and they dying out. And we're playing out. It's just the elders there. We live with elders all over the world. That's what's going on. Elders is taking over. And look, it's there. It's setting the example. As you see in the picture, just walking there, they are all elders. Get up in the morning, come and work and burn it out. And they are surviving the times. Mm-hmm. So where this evolution is, where are we going? Where are we reaching? How far are we going? What's gonna happen with this gap? Hmm? It's just elders. You see it all over the world. All the populations is getting elders and all the young people are dying out. You better think about it. Look into life. It's a new tree. And look how long this one exists, look. So you can see it's a natural part of life.
Not a drop of anything in it. Nothing. Look at how clear it is. You can see right through the bottle. So, for us, it's worth it to come up here and pick this up. Climb over the forest, over the hills, through the mountain, just for this. There's my strong husband taking the water home so we can drink it. I was carrying some too, but he decided I'd had enough and he's gonna take it the rest of the way as a strong man should. I love you, honey. Happy anniversary. Okay, I want you to listen carefully. You hear that sound? Oh dear. That is the sound of a gorilla. Listen. A gorilla. He's in the park here somewhere. That's where we get the water. We're in the location where we pick up the water, natural spring water. And the gorilla is somewhere in these trees. Kind of crazy, right? He's accumulating quite the attention.
This that's him. His bottle is filling.
The blue?
Yeah, that guy. So we're gonna take some time to
Okay.
25 minutes to not 25, about 15-20 minutes I think that will take.